Hello viewers, Mezcal here. Today I want to talk about silicon, the importance of silicon and plant health. So when a plant is actively growing its new tip, and if it has silicon available to it, it will stack that silicon inside the cell in such a way that the cell is like stacked with bricks from inside like an armour. And when a bug comes along to try to stick its little sap-sucking proboscis in, it has trouble. And it also creates strength in the plant in that it's more flexible, less prone to snap. So silicon needs to be there throughout the life of the plant. And here I can show you what happens when there's no silicon. We're starting to get little bugs. I can zoom in on that there. Where is it? Where's that leaf? I'm not sure how well you'll see a little black bug under there, but I noticed it first over here on this. And what's going on here is these plants haven't taken up silicon into these leaves. Their only chance is to take it up into the new leaves because it had no silicon when it was, or it didn't have enough silicon when it was growing. If it's not there during the growth phase, the plant can't put it on later. So how I'm going to combat the bug attack that is happening right now on these soft fleshy leaves where there's no silicon to stop the attack, I'm going to take some of this silicate material, put it in the good old kitchen mortar and pestle, turn it into a powder, and then apply it to the underside of the leaves so that there's like this super fine, sharp surface that makes it impossible for the bugs to hang around. It's basically like kind of like getting a human to walk across broken glass. It is an approach that is used in industry to keep plants protected when they don't have enough of the mineral within them to make them defend themselves from within. So I'll just spend a bit of time mushing this up and apply it. Now, because this stuff is coarse and spiky, if I put it in a spray bottle, it's going to ruin the piston. So I'm just going to basically get it on my fingers like that, pop it up under the leaves like that, and so these little sap-sucking bugs, when they want to hang around in here, they're basically going to have to walk over what would be equivalent to shards of glass. So that's how we're going to create a barrier until the plant can grow enough silicon inside its own cells. So there you go. That's how important silicon is throughout the growth phase of a plant. If you can make yourself a bioavailable silicon product, fulvic acid and vermiculite does a great job of doing that. Highly recommend you have it in your plants throughout their growth phase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe if you haven't already.